How are you, my dear little friend? Alhamdulillah, I am fine, and you? Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. What is your name? My name is Fahmid Akhtar. What is your name? My name is Sadia Akhtar. Are you students? Yes, I am students. Where are you reading? I reading madrasa. Are you reading madrasa? Yes, I reading madrasa. What is your madrasa name? My madrasa name is International Islamic Madrasa, Dakshin Shengiwalapara, Maghra Kishangos Nilphamari. What is your principal's name? My principal's name is Hazrat Maulana Mufti Abu Bakr Siddiq. What subject are taught in your madrasa? Quran, Hadith, Mas'ala, Bangla, English and Mathematics etc. I am very happy that subject of Indangwari Madrasa of Bangladesh I will meet my get Betangwari Madrasa inshallah. Thanks for your decision. I am very happy I will go to the madrasa with you. Welcome, thank you too. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
সবাই বলি মাশাআল্লাহ মারহাবা।